Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
Hi guys, my name is Nikhil Madali. I am from Belgavi. I have completed my graduation in KLS Gopte College of Commerce and I have joined PySpiders in the month of November. The Keshav sir took demo for us and I have joined from 4th November. I took Python full stack course and Python trainer is Keshav sir. Apart from the subjects, Keshav sir has guided us how to do well in presentations and how to do well in interviews. They took mocks and all and bootcamp and presentations. That it will be very helpful for us to get the job. And SQL, I have learned SQL from Avinash sir and web technology from Darshan sir and aptitude from Shelwas sir and Django from Alex sir. It was a good experience for me to join this course.
So, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.